What's going on, guys? Welcome back with a brand new YouTube video. In today's video, we will be doing a cold start on my lawnmower. Hasn't been started in about 3 months, so I'll either catch you guys before I go to school or after, and most likely both, but catch y'all in a little bit. Alright, boys, so this is the cold start of my mower. And yeah. Okay, that's down. Okay, guys, I'm gonna clear some snow out so I can move it. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Okay, guys, so as you seen, we started up a couple minutes ago. I cleared out a little bit of snow. Well, I'm gonna have to push this out when it's on. So let's start that. Make sure it's a neutral. It might take a try or two to start it again, but we got this. It is really too cold for it. Yeah, she's cold, boys. Touching the exhaust right now and it's not even hot. That's why I try not to leave it out so much, but gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna keep trying though. Camera person, get closer up. It should start, but it wants to go in gear. Okay, I'm gonna start it in gear. And try my other key then. Guys, this is not turning out good. It's straight up too cold. I'll pop up a screen thing of the weather, like last video.
Make sure you do this. Subscribe.
Guys, I'll pop up a clip from last night.